Hello, English Course A1, UNAD. My personal information. My name is Adriana Cecilia Castilblanco Beltrán. I am 28 years old. I am from Bogotá and I am currently live alone in Bogotá. I'm an oral hygienist and I am studying public accounting. My favorite hobby is working and listening to music. My favorite sport is basketball. And my favorite TV show are the Animal Defense. Describing my family. There are 4 people in my family. My father, my mother, my sister, and my brother. My mother is Cecilia Beltrán. She is 53 years old. She is a housewife. She is from Sylvania. My mother is loving and dedicated to her family. She is short. Her eyes are round and she has short brown straight hair. My father is Julio Castilblanco. He is 59 years old. He is a farmer. He is from Cabrera, Cundinamarca. My father is a very good person and likes to help others. He is tall and skinny. He has clear eyes and he has short black curly hair. My sister is Viviana Castilblanco. She is 37 years old. She is a housewife and a farmer. She is from Bogotá. My sister is very nice and a very special person. She is medium height. Her eyes are round and she has short light brown hair. My brother is Mauricio Castilblanco. He is 34 years old. He is a farmer and he has his own business. He is from Bogotá. My brother is very hard worker and collaborating. He is tall. He has brown eyes and he has short black hair. And the new members of the family, my nephews. Thank you.